sweat wasn't worth a dime. I remember my father's eyes, his forehead lined like an old map, his rough hands tight on the steering wheel, chasing a dream you can't grasp. He always said, son, you have to be strong, you have to stand your ground. But the world was running too fast, and we were left behind, just watching the factories close their gates